Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Razzle Dazzle. So I've been trying to organize, get things around, wrapping up the hanks into balls. And this was the last colorway that I got. It turned out blue and it's got purple in it. It's pretty subtle. But that's how it turned out when I dyed the acrylic. So yeah, I just need to organize everything. It's kind of a mess, but I'm getting it all around. I got all of these right here that I'm gonna have to wrap up into balls. And the colors vary. I guess that's why they call it variegated, because the colors vary. Very variegated. So I'm working on that, finishing up the last two balls, getting things around. I gotta get my Shopify. I got to work on that. My husband's going to help me with that. But I wanted to make sure that everyone would get like a little stitch marker. And I just got these stitch markers. I'm putting them together. But I got the little charms for these stitch markers. Because I thought that would really help. Sometimes I use stitch markers. I got a lot of the Christmas and Halloween, but it's nice to mark, especially if you're doing like things that are like intermediate. The easy stuff you really don't need stitch markers for, but they're just so cute. So I'm gonna make sure everyone gets a stitch marker with the hand-dyed acrylic yarn. But I'm having a lot of fun. I have a lot of Christmas, a lot of Christmas and Halloween. This one's my favorite Halloween. It's the ghost kitty. That's my favorite. Oh yeah. But I got a lot of really cute stitch markers that I'm putting together. It just makes it fun and exciting. But I'm gonna make sure. I might have to get some more stitch markers. Mostly Christmas and Halloween, because I guess that's what I was into. Here's a little snowman. I thought that'd be so cute. Yeah, so I'm working on these stitch markers. And then I'm gonna finish wrapping all of these into balls. Of course, you'll probably have to have a ball winder to wind it up. See, I cut the little extras off, but I leave one. And this is how I just twist it. very carefully get it into this ball shape. And I got to work on my labels too, getting my labels all around. So for the next week or two, I'm just working on getting everything set up and organized. Getting it all ready to go. And I need to get me a little shipping scale too. But there we have it. I haven't even did one of these to see what the patterns look like yet. So hopefully we get to that. So I'm going to be busy today just organizing, getting everything around, making these little charms, which I have to get these loops in there. But yeah, I think it'll be cute. And each ball should be enough to do a hat. There's 150, actually there's over 150 yards in these hand-dyed balls. And it'll be kind of a mystery as to what you get. But I'm going to work on this. So I guess I'll let you guys go and hope you have a good day. Bye.